Have installed TX10 Pro Android TV box on my TV. After installing the TV box on the TV box is not working. If the TV box is not working, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that the HDMI option on your TV is turned on. If the HDMI option is turned off, turn it on. After turning on the HDMI option on your TV, now try connecting the TV box. If the TV box still does not work, go to step 2. Unplug the HDMI cable and try another HDMI port on the TV. Now try connecting the TV box. If the TV box still does not work, reset your TV box. Unplug the power cable and HDMI cable from the TV box. Insert a pin into the AV port and press the hidden reset button. Press and hold the hidden reset button for 10 seconds. After resetting, plug the power cable and HDMI cable into the TV box. Now go to your TV. Now the TV box is automatically connecting to the TV. The TX10 Pro TV box is now working.